Hybridization in wheat. Normally, wheat is a self-pollinated crop due to chasmogamy. Cross-pollination ranges from 0.5% to 1%. The inflorescence of wheat is called ear or head. The botanical term is known as spike. The unit is called as spikelets. Each floret consists of lemma, palea, androecium and gynoecium. Each floret has 3 stamens with a large anther and a pistil bearing bifid feathery stigma. We are selecting GW451 as the female parent. Ideal panicle for emasculation is the one in which panicle is in advanced booting stage, that is, 1/3 or 1/4 portion of the spikes comes out of the flag leaf. Flag leaf of the selected spike is removed. Young spikelets at the top and the bottom of the spikes are removed. Out of the 5 florets of each spikelet, 3 were young florets at the middle of each spikelets were removed, keeping 2 peripheral florets only. Portion of each floret was cut with the help of scissors so that the anthers could be exposed and removed easily. You can also make a slanting cut. Once the anthers are exposed, anthers from each floret were removed with the help of forceps. Okay. The emasculated spike was gently covered with butter paper and stapled at the bottom. Each emasculated spike was tagged with the details regarding emasculation date and parent. Optimum time for pollination is about 10 am to 12 pm when anther starts to burst. The anthesis time is between 7 and 9:30 am in the morning. The flower will remain open till evening. Flowers are bisexual and zygomorphic. Wheat stamens are small and produces about 1000 to 4000 pollen grains per anther. We are selecting HI1544 as the male parent. Spike in which peduncle was exposed 2 to 3 cm in consideration to the flag leaf was selected. 1/2 portion of the florets were removed to expose the anthers. The prepared spike was exposed in the sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes till the anther starts to burst and the pollen grains started to release. The prepared male spike was inverted on the respective emasculated female spike. Pollen grains could be seen as a yellow dust at the time of pollination. Okay. The pollinated spike is then stable.